up, guys? This is Epic V Gaming 0012 here, and we're going to be doing a video of basically like kind of bird hunting, but it don't really count as bird hunting. Mostly just like pretty much just getting birds away. But to get away, oh my god, a BB gun here. Just to keep them to get away. It's not loaded. Well, it's loaded, but I haven't cocked it yet. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and I got 9 subscribers right now. I have a live count on my iPad in my grandma's house, and I would have it at my house. But oh, sorry guys for me holding it like that. But yeah, as I was just saying, I do have that and stuff. And I can note if you unsubscribe and subscribe. So let's get straight into this. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, say a good video, share it. Okay, so let's get our cock it real quick, and then we'll be ready. Wait. Get you guys right here just to look at some stuff around here. Okay, guys, I got it now. Okay. So, recently there have been like a lot of birds around, and if I can find them, there's one just flying up in the sky. Okay, look at that tree. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Anything up in there now? Cause I'm just like trying to scare them away, and I was doing this like the past 2 days now, and yeah, still trying to find some. Like if I'm inside for a while, they'll all come in the backyard, but then it's like harder because they're all in the backyard and they can freaking see me very easily. There's none sitting on the ground. I can't see any in the trees back here. There's definitely not one in that. It's way too small. Well, it's not too small. It's like you can see them. Possibly one in this one or this one. Go check. Just quit checking and get it ready, just in case. That's like first person for you guys. You guys are in the hair like this. But yeah, guys, so I'm trying to find one. I can't really find them. They hide very good. Like, here in this state, I will not mention the state, but these birds are very camouflaged. I mean, they're not green, they're like black, gray, some type of colors. Oh, I could have shot that one. Well, not shoot it, like shoot the ground and scare him away. He'll sing right perfectly on the ground. One possibly in this tree. This is a tree that I used to always climb. I don't really climb it that much anymore. And wait, sit my gun down. I believe I found something. I'm literally climbing this tree right now because I think I've just found the sign that a bird has been up here for a fact. See, wait, where was it at? Trying to figure out where it was now. I lost it. Yeah, right somewhere up there. Wait, let me jump back down real quick, and then look back up. Ugh. Okay, I'm back down. So it's right. Go up that. Okay, so it's right there. Okay, now I know where it is. Now I'll get back up. Okay, I'm back. Whew. So it's like up right here. It goes up right here, I believe. Wait. Oh, yep, it's a bird nest. Oh, look! Look! There's baby birds. There's a baby bird's beak up there. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. That is the cutest thing. I've never seen live babies. Oh my gosh, guys, wait. I gotta sit you guys on the ground. I gotta go and look at this. So cute. Wait, what the crap? Where is the nest again? I'm gonna look for the nest again. I lost it. It's right there. I can't get to it just to look at them. Okay, well, that's the end of this video, guys. I love you all. Like, subscribe, comment, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out, homie.